Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Marketing Director at Osborne. Today we're sharing with you our innovative selection of light rail moldings. If you're planning to use under cabinet lighting in your next build, these moldings are stylish solutions for hiding the hardware required for lighting installation. Each molding piece seamlessly attaches at the bottom of the cabinet in front to hide the electrical fixtures and incorporate elegant texture into your design. Our light rail moldings are available in different profiles depending on your cabinet type. Whether you have traditional frame cabinetry or modern frameless designs, we have what you need. Choose from our popular patterns including egg and dart and Greek key. These high quality components are available in several wood types and sanded to 150 grit, allowing you to easily customize them to match your space. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find the full collection of our light rail molding on our website, www.osbornewood.com, as well as helpful information about using these components. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.